Well, when you think of Linksys routers and their different wireless and wire gear, you're probably thinking the gray and purple boxes. Well, they've come out with a whole new design here. We've got Eric Deming from Linksys with us. Well, what's the thought here?
Well, this is a new design for us, right? Besides being cool, it's a new departure for us. What we wanted is something that's very pretty, that people want to see on their desk. And you can see this is very shiny. It has no external antennas. We did a lot of research that users decided that they don't want external antennas. They think it's antiquated, that it's old-fashioned. And if you look at the new cars that are coming out, they don't have antennas on them. If you look at cell phones, they don't have antennas on them. People seem to accept the fact that internal antenna is higher tech. And that's what we've done here. We actually designed, using the Cisco resources that we have, an internal antenna array that can scale from 2 all the way to 6 antennas. And sometimes you'll need 6 antennas depending on the type of product that it is. And it can all fit into this small enclosure, which is very nice.
Are you losing any performance by building the antennas in?
Actually, it's better than external antennas. Because of the way we've designed the antennas, the gain actually goes outward to actually expand the coverage more than an antenna that would actually just omnidirectionally broadcast the signal.
Is this going to be the kind of the new Linksys design for your product line?
Yeah, absolutely. What you're looking at is one of the first 2 routers that we've launched with this new industrial design, and going forward, this is the new design language for Linksys.
It's pretty cool. I like it like it better
I'm
than
glad.
the
I'll
older
tell my
design.
industrial design guys that.
Okay. Yeah. Mike says it's cool. Something that I found really interesting, security. Obviously wireless security, a huge issue. Most people don't ever tend to turn it on in their home or their business.
Yes.
And I think the reason for a lot of people is that sometimes it's just a pain to try to figure out all those encryption keys, or even to find out where to go to put that stuff in too.
Right, it is very confusing. There's 4 different types of security that are involved with wireless. And which one do I use? And how many letters do I have to type in for the key? It's very difficult. Well, what we've done now, and this is actually a standards-based method, is it's a push-button method where you push the button on the router. This is a button right here.
Right on the front.
Right. And then a device that supports Wi-Fi protected setup, you press the button on that device, and they automatically paired together. They exchange the SSID, the keys, everything, all encrypted.
You don't have to type in anything.
You don't have to type anything in. It's just 2 pushes of a button and you're done.
That's cool. And so will laptops have that? They'll have a specific button on there?
Yeah, this is pretty new standard, so it's going to take a while before you find all the laptops or all the devices out there that have this. But on a go-forward basis, all of the Linksys products, and I believe most of the laptops that are shipping today, will come with Wi-Fi protected setup, which is the push button.
Well, that's important then if you are looking for a new router that you have something like that, because the laptop that you'll be buying now or even in the next couple of years here will have that feature. And why wouldn't you want that?
Absolutely. You're absolutely right.
And what kind of price points are we looking for something like this? Is this kind of more of a consumer, home office kind of?
Yeah, this is definitely aimed toward the home consumer. This happens to be a wireless N router that is a gigabit, has gigabit ports on it, okay?
Okay.
So this is a $129 product. There's one below it, which is an entry-level wireless N product that is $99.
And what's the difference?
Okay. The difference is it has 10100 ports rather than the gigabit ports, and one less antenna, so a little bit less range, but it's more affordable. It's $99.
Yeah.
So you can basically choose what you need as far as how big is your home, or maybe you're in a small apartment, so you don't really need. You want the speeds of N, but you don't need all that range. So that's why we offer that. And then on a go-forward basis, new products will be coming out from Linksys that have this new design. We have entry-level wireless G products that start at $69 and they go up from there.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for joining us, Eric. And people can find out more information on your website?
Yeah, www.linksys.com.
Very cool. Thank you very much. Check out the latest Linksys routers and the new design.